This is my new GraniteStone large frying pan with lid. It's a pretty blue color on the outside, and it does help things get brown nice and easily, and they don't stick. I've used this a few times. I will say it is raised. It is higher in the middle, and I don't know if I love that. It's more higher in the middle than I would like. Like if you were making scrambled eggs, they're gonna consistently keep falling to the edges, I feel like. But it does brown stuff, and it is non-stick. It washes easily. The lid is kind of loose, but it does seal. It is sealing, but it doesn't fit on there like super like a glove. It's got some wiggle, but it does seal, which is all I need. And the lid also has this little hole there. I don't know what that's for, to be honest. I've never seen that on a lid, but it's not the heaviest, sturdiest of pans that I've seen, but it is pretty nice. It's not sticking. I like the size. It's nice and deep and large. And so far, I am happy with purchase. Like I said, it browns things without them sticking, which is great. Exactly what I was looking for. Hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.